And here's the back of your new home. There's no power here, but you can actually probably run a line from the dirt road for not too much more money. It's your propane tanks. We come to the front of your new home. They're building a new veranda here. There's a view of the beautiful lake from your new front yard. We have a real nice deck here with a new veranda, screen house. Not too many bugs here. Just nice getting out of the weather. Still being constructed. For your enjoyment of the sunrise to the west. Obviously it's the morning time, there's no sunset, but let's go inside in your new home. It's a nice, high quality doors. Now we're in the main living area, cooking area. It comes with a camp cook. He doesn't speak English, but that's okay.
¿Cómo está?
He knows sign language. It's got a beautiful open space living room. It's very, very, very warm in here in the winter because of the wood stove. You shouldn't have any problem when it's 20 below zero. There's actually 2 bedrooms in the back, but it's actually, they're both being occupied by unwanted guests. Here's the master bedroom. We can't go in there. I don't think you want to go in there. And here's the guest bedroom with bunk beds. You can sleep about 12 people in there. Here's your bathroom, fully equipped with a sink and other assorted stuff. So if you're interested, give us a call. It's being offered for $1.5 million.
Inflation.
Yeah, there's lots of inflation. Oh, here's a beautiful dining table. Oh, and here's your new squatter for your new home.
Oh, thank you.
Your resident squatter. Don't worry, he doesn't drink too much beer or eat too much.
I brought yogurt.
See, he even brings food. He comes with your own guard dog.
Boy, I just followed the scent of bacon back here.
Your own guard dog.